you get to create, build, and do whatever you want. It's pretty cool in Minecraft. Download it. If you don't want to download it, it's fine. Any other game. It's pretty cool. Hey, leave a thumbs up to kill, so I can kill the chicken, baby chicken. Okay, let's go. Good dad. Come on. Goodbye, baby chicken. Hey. Okay, dead. Gives nothing. That's pretty
Are
boring.
you killing things?
No.
You said dead.
Yeah, because I just killed a baby chicken.
Why would you do that?
Well, there's tons of sheep here. I see a mama chicken.
Why would you kill a baby chicken?
Because I need to save them. This is pretty bad.
Why are you killing baby chickens?
In Minecraft,
You didn't tell me that you're killing baby chickens in Minecraft. I thought that
you actually need food to kill them.
you need to have food so you can kill them?
No, you gotta kill animals so you can have food. If you don't have any food, you gotta kill an animal and then you get a furnace and then heat it up.
Is that what they teach you in Minecraft?
Yeah, you have to do that to survive.
I thought it was a vegan game.
It's not a vegan. What do you mean?
I thought it was this peace mode, right? Creative peace mode you're
Yes.
playing.
Yes.
But I thought it was vegan. I thought it was peaceful. I thought you didn't kill anything and no zombies and no creepers.
Yeah, but I'm so sorry. Rest in peace.
What are you talking about? Are there zombies and creepers in there?
No.
So why are you killing baby chickens?
I'm so sorry, baby chicken.
Wait a second. I thought you said you were a vegetarian.
Yes, it's, in Minecraft, you can eat meat. I'm a vegetarian. In real life, in Minecraft, you can eat.
But
Whatever.
that makes no sense. I thought it was a peaceful game, no killing.
Yes, and no dying. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
So the reason they make you kill a baby chicken is so you can eat?
Yes, if you're not in creative and
But
peace
I
mode.
see there's a lot of green there, and there's a lot of trees and things, and you can just grow food and grow vegetables, so you don't have to kill baby chickens. Why are you not doing that? They don't let you do that?
Okay, can you just don't do that? Okay, don't talk about that.
Why not?
I will make a farm then.
So, yeah, can you make a farm, start growing some food so you don't have to kill any more baby chickens,
Okay,
please?
okay. I just need fences.
Because you know how much I love my McNuggets, but I thought you guys wanted to be vegetarians, not just because you liked salad with your chicken. I thought you didn't want to have meat anymore.
In Minecraft, you can eat whatever you want.
Oh, come on. That's you told me it was like real life. Minecraft.
It's not real life Minecraft.
You can create, build,
Yes.
and do whatever you want.
Well,
okay,
the game is a game.
Yeah, but in America,
Minecraft.
well,
You get to mine and craft.
no, but wait a second. Are you mining?
No. That is because
So it's
Minecraft. You mine if you're not in creative mode, and you craft.
Okay.
Craft.
okay. So when you're not in creative mode, you're mine, which means what?
Mining means you hunt for diamonds, gold, and
Oh, great. Okay, yeah, that's mining. So it's mine and craft. Yeah, I like the name of it. So, and you told me you like it because you get to create,
and
build, and
build
do.
and do whatever you want. to
Yeah,
do.
so that's like America. So it's like real life in America. You get to create, build, and do whatever you want, right? Isn't that why we
Yeah,
live-
but it's not for real life.
So if you get to create, build, and do whatever you want, you can create, build a farm,
Yeah,
you can grow food,
yeah.
and you can eat that.
I'm building a farm right now. I'm doing the fences.
Okay, so then you can stop killing baby chickens?
Yeah.
Good. Thank you. Peter will be proud of us.
I don't do that all the time. I like nature. This is my fence where I'm gonna put it chickens, and I have to do
But then we don't need any more chickens.